Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance. What surprise changes occur in the Reef Finance. Let me show you guys. But guys, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. So guys, in this month, the Reef Finance is going to positive cryptocurrencies. A lot of people are going to buy a Reef, a lot of people are going to buy a Reef. Why they decided to buy Reef? Because they know about the future of Reef Finance, and absolutely Reef Finance is also a profitable coin. You already know about that. Now guys, the latest price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.021096 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Reef Finance in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Reef Finance, absolutely guys, the changes is also going positive. The last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week change is positive. So only guys, yesterday for some passage of time, the Reef Finance price falls down. But guys, that's not mean that you decide to sell, then you decide to lose hope. No, never give up. Remember that always. Any cryptocurrencies, you have to always patience. Always patience. Patience is very important with the cryptocurrencies market. Because maybe it's sometimes the cryptocurrencies fast down for a month, for weeks. So no, that's not mean that you decide to say hold. If you hold, so you never lose any cryptocurrencies, only you get profit. Anyways guys, now let me show you the price chart of the Reef Finance. You can see here yesterday for some time the price fast down, but in the latest situation you can see here now, in the latest situation they start jumping. So guys, don't lose hope. Now they are again start moving upward. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.